What's up guys, it's Quantevo here, and today we're diving deep into the world of Amazon affiliate marketing. Want to earn passive income with Amazon affiliate marketing but don't know where to start? Stick around, I'm breaking down 10 beginner-friendly tricks that actually work. We're talking about simple, actionable strategies that can turn your website traffic into a goldmine. Whether you're just starting out or you've been at it for a while, these tips are going to level up your affiliate game. Let's get started. The first thing you need to nail down is your niche. Don't try to be everything to everyone. It's like trying to sell a house with no walls. You need to focus on a specific category where people are ready to spend money. Think about it. Are people more likely to whip out their wallets for the latest tech gadgets, must-have kitchen appliances, or the hottest beauty products? Exactly. Go where the buyers are, and you'll see those commissions rolling in. Now, let's talk keywords. Forget about those generic terms like headphones or blenders. You want to use what we call long-tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases that people search for when they're closer to buying. Think like best noise-canceling headphones for under $100 or powerful blender for smoothies and soups. See the difference? These long-tail keywords have less competition, meaning your content has a better chance of ranking higher in search results, and more visibility equals more clicks and more clicks. Well, you get the picture. One of my favorite ways to boost affiliate sales is by creating comparison articles. People love to weigh their options, right? So give them what they want. Write posts comparing 2 or 3 popular products in your niche. For example, you could do iPhone 14 Pro versus Samsung Galaxy S23 or Vitamix versus Ninja Blender. Which one's right for you? These types of articles attract buyers who are already in the decision-making phase, making them more likely to click on your affiliate links. Chapter 4. Add your personal touch. Listen, nobody wants to read a boring product description copied straight from Amazon. You gotta make your content stand out. Don't be afraid to add your own personal touch. Your unique voice is what makes you, you. Share your honest opinions, pros and cons, and even your own experiences with the products. Were you blown away by the sound quality of those headphones? Did that blender make the smoothest smoothie you've ever had? Tell your readers. Chapter 5. Affiliate disclosure. Keep it real. Okay, this one is super important. Affiliate disclosure. You need to let your readers know that you may earn a commission if they make a purchase through your links. It's all about transparency and building trust with your audience. Don't try to hide it or be sneaky about it. Just add a simple line at the beginning or end of your post, like, as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. It's a legal requirement and the ethical thing to do. Chapter 6. Amazon Native Shopping Ads, Seamless Integration. Here's a pro tip for you. Leverage Amazon's native shopping ads. These ads blend seamlessly into your content and display relevant products based on what your readers are interested in. They look super clean, match the look and feel of your website, and can significantly boost your conversion rates. Plus, they're super easy to set up. It's a no-brainer. Chapter 7. Update, update, update. Don't let your old blog posts gather dust. Products change, prices fluctuate, and new versions come out all the time. Make it a habit to regularly update your old content. Replace outdated information, check for broken links, and make sure the products you're recommending are still relevant. Fresh, up-to-date content ranks better in search engines and keeps your readers engaged. Chapter 8. Social media. Be helpful, not spammy. Social media can be a powerful tool for promoting your affiliate links, but don't be that annoying person who just spams links everywhere. Nobody likes that. Instead, focus on being helpful and providing value. Engage in relevant conversations, answer questions, and only share your affiliate links when it genuinely adds to the discussion. Remember, it's all about building relationships. Chapter 9. Email Marketing, Your Secret Weapon. Building an email list is one of the best things you can do for your affiliate marketing business. Offer a free checklist guide or ebook related to your niche in exchange for email signups. Once you've got a list, you can send out regular emails with helpful product recommendations, tips, and exclusive deals, all with your affiliate links included. It's a powerful way to nurture leads and drive sales. Chapter 10. Data is king. Check your reports. Don't just set it and forget it. It's crucial to track your progress and see what's working. Amazon provides detailed reports that show you which products are performing well, which links are getting clicks, and how much commission you're earning. Use this data to your advantage. Double down on what's working, and don't be afraid to experiment with new strategies. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these 10 Amazon affiliate marketing tricks helpful. Remember, the key to success is to provide value to your audience, build trust, and consistently implement these strategies. Recap time. Focus on a buyer niche, use long-tail keywords, create comparison content, update posts, and leverage social media and email. Keep learning, keep testing, and don't be afraid to experiment. Found this helpful? Smash that like button, subscribe for more money-making tips, and drop your questions in the comments. I'm always here to help you crush your financial goals. Until next time.